pronounce it with Ravia, that means pronounce it Razia. And I have my lesson for this today. It's not this letter type. But I only wanted to say for this. After this, I will put it today. Now I have my for today. Okay. Okay, number 1. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay. Number 1, I finished a glass of chicken noodle soup this morning. The check or changing content. Number 2, Mom bought a bunch of grapes yesterday. Check or changing content. 3, there is a few juice in the picture. This check or changing content. Okay. Number 4, do not put many sugar in my coffee. That check or changing content. Number 5, yeah. There are loaves of bread on the bread. No! On the table. Okay. That's it. Are changing content. Okay, here are the answers. If you want to answer, just leave a comment. And if you want, and then I will give you answers for those who have many comments for this time. Okay. Have a learning subject episode 2. Wow! Episode 3. Okay. See you later. This is Rangun. Okay. See you soon. Bye. I just want to study any subject that I want. Bye.